Hi, hungry lovers. This is Hungry Squad.
Squad up!
And today we're going to be doing the Coca-Cola Orange Vanilla review. So, we about to get started.
Yes!
So, if you ain't hit that red button or that notification bell, run fast. You don't want to miss it.
Get out of here.
So, we going to get started. So, just kind of pop the top. Pop the top, baby, and pour the girl some in there. Pop.
What y'all can't see?
No. I'm getting
Let her get this. Get this. Drink that. Wait a minute, you're not supposed to start. What are you doing? All right, so y'all ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy New Year's.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, this is delicious. Look at her. She drinking hers now. Look at that.
It's delicious, but pressure.
Oh, this is delicious. I like this.
Ooh.
It reminds you of a orange cream popsicle. That's what it tastes like. But you taste more of the vanilla than you do the orange. What y'all taste more, the orange or the vanilla?
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
What's down?
Okay, she done. I'm gonna pour you a little bit more than yours because they had more than you. There you go. Ooh, burping challenge. Mine was weak.
My birthday didn't
This is my new backdrop. They'll be closer up on me when it's just me.
I didn't burp. Ooh. Okay, burp. God.
No, don't do it.
I burped.
Usually I wouldn't let them drink dark soda. Get down before you make camera for
I
me.
burped.
Usually I wouldn't let them drink dark soda, but today we're doing a review, so can you get down off the table?
I burped.
You burp. You burp.
Yeah, I burped.
So what do y'all think about it? Stop making all that noise, and you're not about to open that can. So what do you think about the drink, Kamari?
It tastes like vanilla.
Vanilla.
You taste more of the vanilla than you taste orange.
I drink mine all. I beat everyone. I beat you. Guys, I beat y'all.
Can you get off the table? I will buy it again. I kind of like it. They have a I don't know why this keep popping up on my screen. They have a Sprite lemonade kind too. So I'm gonna try that one next.
I can't burp.
You can't burp? Stop making my camera shake. I keep telling you the same thing over and over again.
Daddy, guess I burp. I can't burp. Guess I burp.
You burp?
I can't burp.
So thank you guys for coming to watch our channel. Make sure you hit that like button and continue to come back and watch us grow. We love you guys, and
Bye.
here go Hungry Dad coming in.
What's up, hungry lovers?
You want to taste it?
I burped again.
Oh, my stomach. My
I
stomach.
burped.
Stomach
I burped.
hurts. Hungry lovers.
Mommy, take it some more.
That one making a noise, ain't it?
I burped.
This can make a noise before you even open it. Listen to this. It might not get here.
I'm a no.
Let me hear it, Daddy. Let me hear it. Let me hear it.
That one's effective. Defective, right?
Let's make a deal and rub us on skin.
I burp.
One of them I did. I dropped one of them.
Let's make a deal. Rub us on skin. Okay.
Let me hear this.
Yo. Look on.
I watched it. So Hungry Dad is about to try the cola. Groovy. They can't see me.
Let's make a deal. Rub us on skin.
Not a bubble. Always Coca-Cola, yeah. Alright. Coke over Pepsi.
So we're gonna do the that 1K dance challenge. Even though we're over 1K, we're gonna do that 1K dance challenge. I believe the Lion and the Goddess TV. They started the challenge, so we're gonna do it next. Like I said before, make sure you guys hit that red button and that notification bell. Make sure you come back to see our next video and watch us continue to grow, like I said. And we love you guys. Peace.
Peace.